Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The following presentation outlines the troubleshooting for DTC B1040, indicating that the body control module, BCM, has lost communication with the front wiper. This error typically occurs when there is a disruption in the wiring, a failure in the BCM, or issues with the windshield wiper control unit or motor. Understanding DTCs, or Diagnostic Trouble Codes, is pivotal for identifying issues within systems. The BCM is responsible for managing multiple electronic functions of the vehicle, including communication with the front wiper system. This guide will delve into components affected by DTC B1040, potential causes, symptoms, and a meticulous troubleshooting process to diagnose and rectify the issue effectively. DTC B1040 references a loss of communication between the body control module, BCM, and the front wiper system, specifically the windshield wiper control unit and motor. The BCM acts as the central hub for various electronic signals throughout the vehicle, including those that control the front wipers. This code suggests that the BCM is unable to communicate with the wiper system, potentially due to issues with the wiring, connectors, or the components themselves. Located under the dashboard, the BCM works in concert with the windshield wiper control unit, which is responsible for the operational functionality of the front wipers. A successful communication pathway is essential for the correct operation of electronic systems in modern vehicles, emphasizing the importance of thorough diagnostics. Several key factors can contribute to the occurrence of DTC B1040. First, wiring issues are a primary suspect, as damaged or corroded wires can disrupt communication. A faulty body control module could also be at fault, as it failing to process signals effectively will impede communication with the wiper system. Additionally, a defective windshield wiper control unit or motor could cause this error, as they are responsible for executing commands from the BCM. Furthermore, a blown fuse can interrupt power supply to crucial components, while poor connections can lead to intermittent communication failures. It's crucial to assess each of these potential causes methodically during the troubleshooting process. The symptoms associated with DTC B1040 typically manifest as inoperative front wipers or erratic wiper functionality. Drivers may notice that the wipers fail to respond correctly to commands, or may operate sporadically. An additional symptom could be a warning message indicating a loss of communication, often visible on the vehicle's dashboard. Other symptoms may point towards broader issues with the BCM functions, which can affect various electronic systems throughout the vehicle. Being aware of these symptoms can help in the precise identification and resolution of the issue at hand. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1040 involves clearing the trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, a crucial tool for diagnosing Honda vehicles. After clearing the DTCs, turn the vehicle to the off lock mode, followed by switching it back to the on mode. This reset helps refresh the vehicle's systems and may clear transient issues. After waiting for at least 6 seconds, use the HDS to check for any DTCs once again. If DTC B1040 reappears, it's indicated that the problem persists, warranting further investigation into the wiper communication system. In the second step of troubleshooting, it's essential to check the fuse associated with the windshield wiper system. Specifically, look for fuse A25, rated at 30 amps, located in the underhood fuse relay box. A blown fuse can disrupt the supply of power, directly affecting the wiper operation. If the fuse is indeed blown, replace it and monitor for future occurrences. Should the new fuse blow again, there may be a more serious underlying issue, such as a short circuit present in the wiring associated with the wiper line that needs to be addressed. In this step, you will determine the potential failure area by measuring the voltage around the windshield wiper control unit and motor. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off, lock mode. After this, disconnect the 6P connector from the windshield wiper control unit. With the vehicle in this mode and the connector disconnected, measure voltage between test points 1 and 2 using a multimeter. Test point 1 connects to pin number 2 of the wiper control unit, while test point 2 connects to pin number 1. If there is battery voltage present, it indicates that power is reaching the control unit and the issue lies elsewhere. Conversely, if there is no battery voltage, further investigation is required down the wiring path. Next, conduct an open wire check on the wiper line. This involves checking for continuity between the designated test points with the vehicle in off, lock mode, and the wiper control unit connector still disconnected. Specifically, measure between pin number 2 of the wiper control unit and a body ground. If you detect battery voltage in this test, it signals a need to repair either an open or high resistance issue in the ground wire or the connection at point G351. However, if continuity is absent, that indicates an open or high resistance within the wire itself, which also requires immediate attention to restore proper communication. During this troubleshooting step, you'll assess the LIN FR wiper line for any short circuits. Disconnect the connector C28P from the body control module, BCM. With the vehicle in the off lock mode, check for continuity between pin number 4 of the windshield wiper control unit and a body ground. If continuity exists, it suggests that a short circuit to ground exists within the wire. This will require the repair of the shorted wire to restore functionality. If no continuity is detected, it indicates that the LIN FR wiper wire remains intact, allowing for further testing to continue. The 6th troubleshooting step involves performing a continuity check on the LIN frame wiper line. This requires checking continuity between pin number 13 of the body control module connector C28P and pin number 4 of the windshield wiper control unit connector, with both connectors disconnected and the vehicle in off lock mode. If continuity is confirmed, the LIN frame wiper wire is deemed to be in good condition. In this case, you would proceed to replace the windshield wiper control unit or motor as the likely faulty component. However, if continuity fails, this indicates an open or poor connection in the wiring itself, necessitating further diagnostics on the wiring harness. Once repairs have been conducted, it is vital to verify that the issues have been resolved. Begin this verification by checking for DTCs through the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, once more. This step checks if DTC B1040 persists or if the system is now error-free. Next, test the functionality of the front wipers to ensure they operate correctly in response to controls. Lastly, confirm that all connections associated with the wiper system are secure, which helps prevent any future communication problems from cropping up. To prevent the recurrence of DTC B1040 in the future, implementing a routine maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly inspect the wiring associated with the windshield wiper system, looking for frays or any signs of wear and tear, which can lead to communication issues. Additionally, check the connections at both the body control module, BCM, and the windshield wiper control unit. Ensuring they are secure can minimize future problems. Furthermore, maintaining the care of the wiper motor, such as cleaning and checking functionality, is crucial for ensuring its longevity and consistent performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC B1040 involves understanding the implications of the body control module losing communication with the front wiper system. Recognizing the symptoms can lead to quicker diagnostics and repairs. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps meticulously will help to pinpoint issues in wiring, connectors, or components accurately. By clearing DTCs initially and verifying the results after repairs, you can ensure that the wiper system functions effectively once again. Finally, routine maintenance and checks can further reduce the likelihood of similar issues arising in the future, underscoring the importance of proactive vehicle care. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.